54 Salt River, aka Sugar Bay House. An amazing ridgetop, hilltop location. Looking out over the Gentle Winds condominiums here, adjacent islands on the horizon, National Park Center there, and of course Salt River Bay right there. Beautiful beaches down along this area, which are about a 2-minute drive from here, or a 10-15-minute walk. As you can see, we got a nice flat knoll top here, nice custom stonework. Back door to the kitchen over there, and then this would be the main entry area. Tons of parking out here, but also some convenient side parking to the right. You enter through these two big custom doors. Check out the plaque. Oh yeah. But you come through these two doors into this massive courtyard area where the pool and all the bedrooms are interconnected here. So to the left there's bedroom, 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 kitchen, great room, bar, and then to the right is master suite. So if you come straight in the door, you could go right into the master bedroom. You step 2 steps up to a nice master vaulted ceilings, little sitting area over here. You could make this actually a little office nook if you wanted to. And then beautiful 4-poster king size bed, split AC, alarm controller, which is actually deactivated. They're not using it these days. Little breakfast bar, got your full bath, tiled shower. And large vanity. Closet to the left, and then that's looking back up to the bedroom, so you can see if you're in bed, you're actually looking out over Salt River, over the pool. Really nice setup. And then step back down, and to the left is guest bedroom number 1. Each of the bedrooms has an ensuite bath. Super high ceilings in here. I'm gonna say those are 20 feet-ish high. Closet to the right, and then here's your bathroom with a lookout to the north. Each bedroom is air conditioned, as is the living room. This bedroom's got 2 double beds. Got your collar ties up there for structural integrity. Super well-built house. Been through all the storms without any issues. Other than, of course, landscaping and the typical, gutters and that sort of thing. Closet left, TV left. Okay, that's bedroom number 2. Back out to the pool patio and into bedroom number 3, guest bedroom number 3. Dual closets here. AC, excuse the noise, we're moving some furniture. And then a king size, actually 2 twins put together to make a king. This one's got a tub, actually. Tub and shower. So 3 nice, more or less equal guest suites. And then the master bedroom down on the end. Hi, Steph. So as you can see, that whole wing, that whole section is... Now under my feet here is a gym and an office area. It's currently set up as a bedroom area. I can't get into it today. There's some people staying here right now, so respect for privacy, I'm not gonna go in there, but that would make it a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, unless you wanted it as an office. It is an office with a view, so you could use that as a work at home area, or it'd actually make an excellent homeschool area as well. I'm looking down on Salt River Marina here. So if you had a boat, you could either moor it out in the bay here or put it on a dock slip. That's literally a 1.5-minute drive. Beautiful covered cabana out here for outdoor dining. You got your lighting out here and just an awesome view of Salt River. Off to the left here is Harry's Bar. This was the previous owner. They've kept the name. And as you can see, we've got it kind of set up right now, just doing some filming here today for other purposes. So it's not exactly staged but there it is. So if you're having a little party out here, you could set up your bartender here and set a little band over here maybe. And these are steps that take you down to the office gym area. But I mean, when you look at the view, it's really 360-degree view, pretty much. Maybe 280-degree because you get blocked on the west side, but otherwise you're totally feeling the breeze too, coming straight at you. It's also a nice outdoor grilling area here, so you could grill up some steaks and serve them to Steph, although she's a vegetarian vegan, so that wouldn't work for her, but you could do a veggie burger. And then beautiful glass windows that look eastward. And as you can see, there's double hung on either side of the solid panes, which can control the breeze flow through the place. And then here's a pool table. Huge, beautiful, great room. AC up high there, 25-ish foot ceilings. And then the kitchen's located off to this side. Kitchen with a view. Scrambled eggs with a view. Popcorn with a view. Doing dishes with a view. Awesome. And then as you can see, these are the power roll down shutters. So each one of these window openings has a power shutter that'll come down for storm protection. And then what's kind of cool about this house is, I've never seen this on St. Croix, the 3 cistern chambers have their own little water gauges, so you can easily see how much water is in each cistern. It's a great feature. And then on this side is laundry. This is that kitchen door that you saw at the beginning of the video. You get laundry on the right, and then out here to look into the north. Hello, lovey. And half bath here. So beautiful setup, awesome house. Fantastic Central Island location. You're close to the airport here, probably 15 minutes straight south to the airport. 10 minutes to Christiansted to the east. 2 minutes to a beautiful beach right here. And of course, this is one of St. Croix's, or one of the United States' only bioluminescent bays. So they do glass kayaking in the bay here. So if you want to see the bioluminescence at night, it's a really cool way to spend an evening. And you'll kayak up through these little bays. There's actually a turn there that goes way back over into here. So it's a very protected, beautiful bay to kayak, paddleboard. And there's actually a dive shop down there you can take out for a scuba dive. Look at the hills behind. That's Estate Claremont there. So great spot, great house, and would love to show it to you. Have a great day and give us a call. Bye-bye.